siya, dili siya malimpyuhan. So,
Kailangan na to limpyo ka. Si Arjo Dris Bango is like hugaw jud. So gusto na ko mag-take action sa
Voices matter, perspectives matter. Today's youth deserves to be heard. This is Shards of Truth, delivering us stories that reflect the realities of our generation, where every issue is examined piece by piece to reveal a clearer picture. At Francisco Bangoy National High School, the comfort room is one of the most frequently used facilities by students every day. It serves as an essential space that supports hygiene and students' overall well-being while they are in school.
Sanitation facilities like school bathrooms play an important role in maintaining a healthy learning environment. Proper hygiene spaces help prevent the spread of illnesses and allow students to stay comfortable throughout the school day. However, the condition and maintenance of school comfort rooms can sometimes affect how students feel about using these facilities. Issues related to cleanliness, water supply, and maintenance are among the concerns often raised in many schools. To better understand every perspective, we ask students for their opinions.
ang mga problema na ma-experience sa mga student pag mag-use og bathroom is kanang if ang mga CR kay kanang barado siya, which is na siya mga waste na dito niya. Usay kay na yung mga basura nakalatag like kanang used pads nya. Usay pag di kanang bawo siya, dili siya malimpyuhan. So ang uban ako usay pag mag-ingana siya kay dili na lang ko mag-CR. Wala.
For me, sa among si Arjo Dris Bango is like hugaw jud, especially mga student dili ka balo magbobo silang tubig, sila ilang and especially the mac food. So bale medyo na siya nga ang issue Dris Bangoy. I think kailangan sa mga bathroom is proper and kanang tama gani nga mga janitors and more improvements, and kailangan ko na to enough water kay mostly ang mga gripo diri is dili siya moagas and wala po kanang proper na mga instruments like mga soap or panggamit sa CR, and I think na even though public ni siya, kailangan na to limpyo kay para sa mga students din sa Bangoy National High School. Thank you. So ako maingon di I know kay of course kung hugaw ato ang bathroom kay ato mga sakit kay dali ra jud nato makuha, especially sa mga low immune system. So gusto na ko mag-take action sa eskwelahan ani or ang DepEd man lang kay para iwas na po sa sakit, tapos iwas sa issue na tungod ang Bangoy hugaw kayo mga bathroom mo lang.
As conversations continue, one thing becomes clear. School comfort rooms are not just facilities. They are essential spaces that support students' health, comfort, and daily school life. The questions may not be whether these bathrooms exist, but whether they truly meet the needs of the students who uses them every day. Reporter from Shards of Truth, this is Angela Boto, your mobile journalist.